Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your CrawlQ AI account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your CrawlQ AI account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in the address crawlq.ai like this and don't enter. And you can see guys, we are on the home page of CrawlQ AI. And now in order to log into our account, simply click on the login button available over here at the top right corner of the screen. But guys, if you have not yet created an account on CrawlQ, simply click on start trial to go to the page where you can or you will be able to register for a CrawlQ AI account. And with that being said, let's click on login over here. And over here guys, this is the login page of CrawlQ AI, and you'll be required to enter your email address over here with which you had created an account on CrawlQ, and after that enter your password. And after entering your email address and your password, you can log into your CrawlQ AI account. But if you forgot your password, you can simply click over here where it says forgot password to go to a procedure to reset your account's password. And with that being said guys, after entering your email address, your password, simply click on login, and then you'll be signed into your CrawlQ account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.